Hello children, how are you all? Have you enjoyed your holidays? I hope that you all have enjoyed your holidays a lot, isn't it? So now this is the time to come back to study. Alright? So today in English period we will read literature. Okay? The third chapter of your literature book, that is Dirty Bathwater. Before starting, guys, just tell me, have you heard the proverb that cleanliness is next to godliness? I hope that you all have heard about this proverb that cleanliness is next to godliness. And your mama always asks you to be clean. She used to say that have a bath, brush your teeth twice a day, etc. etc. Do you know why? Because this is our habit. We are the human beings, and we all know that we love to be clean. We all the human beings like to and try to stay clean. But guys, do you know that animals also want to do so? Yes, this story is based on an animal who also loves cleanliness. That animal is a horse, a royal horse. So let's start the chapter. Once upon a time in a kingdom, the finest of royal horses was taken down to the river to be bathed. The grooms took him to the same shallow pool where they always washed him. Children, there was a kingdom, and in that kingdom there were many royal horses. Among all the royal horses, the finest one, the best one, was used to be taken down to the river to be bathed by the grooms. Groom is a person who takes care of animals, especially horses. The grooms took him to the same shallow pool where they always washed him. Means the horse always washed in the same pool by the grooms. That pool was down. However, just before they arrived, a dirty horse had been washed in the same spot. He had been caught in the countryside and had never had a good bath in all his life. Guys, this time when the grooms arrived there, means before their arrival, a very dirty horse had already been washed in the same place where the royal horse used to be bathed. That dirty horse had been caught in the village, and it looks that he had never had a good bath in all his life. The fine royal horse sniffed the air. He knew right away that some filthy wild horse had bathed there and fouled the water. So he disgusted and refused to be washed at that place. Guys, this royal horse had a very good sense of smell. He sniffed the air. Sniffed means try to smell something by taking air through the nose. He sniffed the air and he came to know that a filthy means dirty wild horse had bathed there, and that dirty horse made the water of the pool polluted, dirty. Okay, so the royal horse refused to be washed at that place. Guys, I hope that up to this line the chapter is clear to you. In the next turn I will continue the next paragraph. Till then you have to revise it. Alright, and I am sending the PDF of this chapter also. So what you have to do, you have to write down the marked difficult words in your literature notebook. Alright.